Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nadine. I want to do a quick video about Mrs. Meyers hand soap and multi-surface cleaner. Now, last year around Christmas time, a little bit after Christmas, they had a 90% off sale, and I got Mrs. Meyers hand soap and multi-surface cleaner for 39 cents. So, I believe Mrs. Meyers now has a fall line. I believe it's Mum, pumpkin scent, and apple cider vinegar. Well, as you can see, I'm not home. I'm in Arkansas at my sister's house, but I flew into Missouri. But I went to a Target and I found this one. I found there was 3. I got 2 because I always try to leave for others. And this is Mrs. Meyers hand soap pumpkin scent. This was on sale from $3.99 to $1.98. It's not 39 cents, but it's starting to happen again where the prices go down. So this is Thanksgiving Day. I know a lot of you guys are going out probably today or definitely tomorrow for Black Friday sales, but check your Targets, look on the end caps, and just check probably like even later next week because these will be going down in price. I will link below my video from last year about what I got when I went to Target, and that's my nephew calling me, but that's my nephew Aiden. You want to say hi?
Hi. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you, Aiden. Again, check your Targets and just be on the lookout for it. Guys, have a great Thanksgiving. Be safe out there for Black Friday. And until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day. You gonna say bye?
Bye.